Hey guys, it's Nick. It's about 11 o'clock on a Friday night and I'm in Giza, Egypt. And you think New York is the city that doesn't sleep? Well, Cairo and Giza, these places do not sleep. It seems they are more crowded than in the daytime. So I'm gonna walk around here a little bit. Behind me, maybe, I don't know, 3/4 of a mile are the pyramids. I was there earlier today and now I'm out having dinner. I just had some dinner at this place, Hills Restaurant. Really good place. Actually, you can see what I ate right here. These are Hills, looks like spanakopita in Greek a little bit. And so that whole meal came out to about $13, you know, 375 Egyptian pounds, which is like 31 to the dollar, something like that. So food is cheap here. Supermarket is really cheap. I don't know where all these cars came from. I was here in the daytime. Like I said, this was crowded, but not like this. And I was trying to find the pyramid and I got lost and I came on this side of the highway instead of the other side. And hello. And
welcome. How are you?
Oh, I'm very good. How are you?
Hi.
So people are very friendly. So I got on the wrong side of the highway. I walked about an hour in the hot sun, like 12 noon, trying to find the pyramids. And I got to this place over here on the other side of the highway, and I was like, wow, this place looks, I don't know. It looked like shady, run down, you know, kind of not the place I should be walking through, really. But I come out tonight at like 9 o'clock, and I'm like, this whole place is hopping. It wasn't like this in the daytime. So I'm gonna walk down some of the streets that I walked down earlier and see what it's looking like. You got to be real careful here because there's no stop signs, there's very few street lights. People just cross just by walking slowly across, and the cars kind of just try to avoid them. And they get a lot of use out of these old Volkswagen buses around here, I'll tell you right now. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to cross the street over here. Like I said, there's no stop signs or crosswalks or anything like that, so you just kind of go with the flow. Okay, so there's a lot of street vendors and stuff out at night. And I was over here in the daytime. It looked to me like, I don't know, like half of the stores were closed permanently or something like that. But I was looking for, you know, like a little supermarket to buy some body wash and some water and maybe a few munchies or something for my room. And I came upon this place, this bakery right here, and they were selling like these round kind of, it's like almost like a round flat croissant for 5 Egyptian pounds and a regular croissant for 5 Egyptian pounds. So that's like 16 cents each, and they're really big croissants. I still have them in my room. Maybe I could show them right now. Big croissant and this kind of flattened croissant. So anyway, so like I said, things are really cheap here. I mean, obviously the salaries are low. Hey kitty. Cats are kind of afraid of people, I think, out here. I don't know. But yeah, so walking through this during the daytime, I was like, wow, this is this is crazy. But now, oh, I think it was this bakery I bought it from. Yeah, because they pointed me across the street to go to this place for some groceries and stuff. Yeah, it was definitely this one, my mistake. But yeah, hello. So this is the one I bought from before. And I already had the croissant and one of those flat croissant things. A little bit sweet actually. But yeah, so you got these shisha, coffee kind of guys hanging out late at night with their buddies and just, you know, talking about news, politics, whatever, their kids, their grandkids. So really cool scene here. You know, I do these videos of, is it safe to walk around here? Is it dangerous? Blah, blah, blah. I gotta say, I feel more safe out here than definitely in New York City, walking around at night, that's for sure. Hello. I could use some flip-flops or something. Oh, haircuts. I really need a haircut. I think I should go get one from this guy and maybe film it. So more kind of hookah bars, outside bars, and you know, everybody's sitting outside because it's nice and cool at night compared to the daytime. So maybe that's why this place is kind of dead at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, like when I was here. I didn't know they had so many of these rickshaws out here. I thought that was only an Indian thing.
Let him go. Go.
Can I film my own haircut? So take a little off the top. 0, yes. So apologies to Harold Boulder for stealing his haircut idea.
Where are you from?
New York. You don't have many customers here from other countries? You have many customers here from other countries or not often? Only Egyptians.
I need work in USA.
What?
I need work.
You need work?
In USA.
Good money, but you're gonna be a barber in USA, open a shop? All finished? It's good? No? No. Okay. It's good. It looks good. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Awesome haircut. I appreciate it. Take care. So now I'm camera ready with my new haircut and a little bit of a shave here. So that was an awesome little barbershop. And the haircut was 150 Egyptian pounds, which is like $5 US, which is about the same that I pay in Athens too. which is the only time I ever actually get a haircut all year long is when I'm on vacation. This place in here is so cheap. I bought 2 1.5 liter bottles of water, a bag of chips, a bar of soap, and the ice cream bar is like mega or something like that. Usually they're like $2-3 or something. The whole thing came out to 43 Egyptian pounds, which is a little less than $1.50. I couldn't believe it. So yeah, prices for, you know, regular everyday stuff here is very cheap from what I've seen. These plums look good. I should probably come back tomorrow and get some of those. But yeah, so that's a little enough chaos for tonight, I think. I still have to get back across this street, and the street where my hotel is, it's like a construction zone, and it's kind of like an obstacle course to get to my hotel, which I'll show you. So I don't know where all these people are going, but you know, they were like honking these. There was like these, I don't know, multiple cars of girls, you know, sitting on the windowsill and like screaming or something, you know, like cheering or something, like as if, I don't know, there's some holiday or they won some soccer match or something like that. I have no idea, but it seems like something going on, or is this just a regular Friday night? I don't know. But this is where I gotta cross. So you see how these people do it? They just kind of go, but they're experts at it, and I'm not. So. Not looking good. I think some of those drivers felt sorry for me. They knew I was such an amateur crossing the street here. So what I didn't know this morning is that I don't need to go this way to the pyramids. The pyramids is actually right down this street. Till you can't go no more, you make a left, and then you'll see the taxis. You make a right, go up that street. That's where the ticket window is for the large pyramid, Khufu, and all of that. But my hotel is over here in this construction zone. So check this out, and I was actually talking with the, well, not really talking, they saw me and they knew I was at a place, and they started practicing a little bit of their English on me, I guess, and I was talking to them a little bit, but they're in these trenches doing some serious digging and stuff. I'm not sure what they're doing, but there's some huge reels of cable that they're laying. But I gotta tell you, this is, you know, this is not the best block to be walking around at late at night, or so you think. Like I said, I got here last night like about 4 in the morning, and the driver had to come down the street. But I think this big pile of sand wasn't there at the time, or he came from the other side or something like that, because we were able to come to right to my hotel. Maybe it was this intersection here he came through. But either way, you know, this is, don't come through here drunk or something, because you might fall into a pitch. You might fall into this pit and get buried or something. So you got the dog watching here. Oh yeah, so this is the block that my taxi came on, but these are the huge reels of whatever that they're putting down here. So, you know, and that's why I say, that's why I like to do these videos of the neighborhood around the place I'm staying, because the picture that they always show you in Expedia or Booking.com or whatever, it only angles it in a very flattering situation. You know, now obviously this is a one-time thing that they're digging this up, but just to see the neighborhood around here helps you decide, you know, if there's someplace you want to stay or not. Like I said, this place is just a regular apartment building that just happens to to have made these hotel rooms on the 5th floor. The rest of the place is just regular people living here. So, you know, that's how it is. But oddly enough, I like my little hotel room. It's not bad. So, nice little courtyard here. That's my little walk around Giza, and I'm very close to the pyramid. It's past 11 o'clock. You know, you see there's millions of people out on the street. It's not dangerous. There's nobody coming up to me. You know, people try to sell you stuff or give you a taxi ride or whatever. You're not going to get away from that. But it's not to the point of somebody's going to try to grab something from you or something like that. At least that's the feeling that I get when I'm walking around here. So guys, I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hey kitty. My cat's